Hey guys, welcome back to It's Amber Time. Okay, before we start, I just want to say thank you so much for 23,000 subscribers. Like, that's insane. And like, it went by so fast. Like, thank you so much. But today, I'm here to say and proud to say I got my very first PR package. Thank you so much. Okay. It's from OCTOBUDDY. OCTOBUDDY, thank you so much for sending me this. Like, it's insane. Oh my gosh, thank you. Look how cute this packaging is. And it says, thank you for being a part of the OCTOBUDDY community. This is so cute. So, unbox it with me. Kind of ASMR. The packaging is so cute. What? They sent me stickers. Look how cute this is. OCTOBUDDY's like this little octopus sticker and the original. Look, it's spilling, but look how adorable that is. Okay, I don't want to ruin it, but wait, who said I had to ruin it? Hold up. Okay, so I kind of moved you guys to the bottom so you guys can see what's going on. And I don't want to ruin it, so we're just gonna... Oh, wait. Okay, hold up. It's fine. It's fine. This is adorable. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Wait, I don't want to ruin the packaging, so I'm just gonna... Guys, they sent me so much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then the first one I showed you guys is 4 little small ones. OCTOBUDDY, thank you so much. Look at this. Thank you guys. This is insane. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you guys so much. Okay, wait. Let's take them out of their packages. Look at how cute this is. Next. Look at the design on this. It's like octopuses. There's so many. This is so cute. Like the one I just showed you is OCTOBUDDY textures. And the previous one was just OCTOBUDDY. But this one's an OCTOBUDDY double. Okay, my favorite ones are OCTOBUDDY doubles. I love the double ones. OCTOBUDDY doubles. I love these ones so much because you could just take them off and put them wherever. Wait a second. I'm using my OCTOBUDDY, my new one, to hold you guys up right now. Yeah. Okay, it didn't really fit my phone case. It's because it's leather, so I did have to take it off, but it's worth it because it's even looking kind of cuter now. It's kind of slanted, so we're gonna... Okay, you guys are against my computer desk. But I used the double one because I didn't really want to take out the stickers. I love doubles because you can just put them anywhere you want. They sent me so many types. It's all glittery. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. They sent me another texture. I'm so glad I have an OCTOBUDDY because now I can just stick you guys wherever I want. What? Look how cute. They're so cute. But definitely not least. Hold up. Give me a minute here. Okay, so it's the same color as this one. Same color as this one. They're so cute. They sent me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we're... How cute. Big thank you to OCTOBUDDY for sending me this. Thank you so much. Just take it in. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you enjoyed this PR haul. There might be a future one coming up. Thank you so much. Love you. Song. It's a popular brand. Oh my gosh. It's like everyone. And if you saw my video, remember I said I wish I had an OCTOBUDDY so I could put it on the... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ruffy. And they Ruffy! I got your package! I love you! Guys, look! Make sure to like and subscribe and comment down below if you're an Octo Buddy.